Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu na Oraifite. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Ị na-agba afọ gbaa afa mmiri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ healing of spiritual sickness. Healing of spiritual sickness. I'm here to tell you, there are some people that the sickness they are in now has spiritual undertone. We call it amaghị ihe a na-arịa amaghị ihe a na-agwụ, meaning they have gone to hospital upon hospitals, yet no solution. Sometimes they will tell them that they are not seeing anything in their lab results, meaning the doctor cannot even treat anything because he did not see anything. As challenge, health challenge. But you know that you are dying. Some have been on the sick bed for months, years, yet no solution to their problems medically. So many things were they cause here. And when they hear or your more, or when they kiss it and do it, it can come from your spiritual associates. It can be as a result of cause. This kind of sickness has been. Remember, we were told about the Job when he was sick, and there are so many great men in the Bible that was at a certain time they became sick, but at a certain time they were healed. This kind of spiritual sickness is those sickness that already denied any medications. But I can tell you, don't give up. If you have found yourself among this set of people, I have a message for you. And this message is a message of hope. That message is the message that you should not give up. That you will be healed again. Last night I got a message. That message that I should admonish people that are sick as we speak. They don't know Toria. So you are privileged to come across this message. Before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. We are still in the month of January. Our monthly rituals is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere, all over the world. Distance is never a barrier in what we do. This morning I have gone to the temple to make declaration upon the lives of those our children all over the world. The first of the temple, the children of the temple, the members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission, and consecrated people. That is how we have been doing it. And we keep doing it in the last of the month. We visit the waters to offer sacrifices on behalf of them all. Then we come to the temple, back to the temple to offer sacrifices to entities of powers. The Christ never enjoyed their way to Messara can one nature papa and Makanaja carry it all. I want to introduce you in a giant actually. I am military here carry 4 years. Believe in me, we have massive testimonies. Then I won't know what I do when I'm only talk about our family. Neither spring you have this number now. WhatsApp number mobile 0805 7837 I repeat 0805 7837 Now let's dive into today's lecture. It will not be long. So what am I saying in essence is this. Know that the total healing of this kind of sickness I'm talking about has only supernatural solution. Yes. This type of sickness I'm talking about, I call them spiritual sickness. Spiritual sickness in the sense that no human medically can say this is the problem. I know someone that, as we speak, she's very sick, but every medical test says she has ulcer. Yes, but that ulcer, based on medical report, is serious one. To the extent that, but as you speak now, the person cannot even stand. They have gone to many hospitals, no solution. Yes, and I know the solution to such problems is available. Enwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ egosiri m ejiji si m zie onye bụ ozi. I am here to admonish them. Actually, today's message is coming because of them. Because of intervention from their guides. And I was told they nwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ nọ na nsogbu ga-benefit si na message ya ga-ada. There is welfare, about 40 of them. That includes married people, men and women, and young people alike. As we speak, ha nọ n'ute ọrịa n'ebe dị iche iche. Amaghị ihe a na-arịa, amaghị ihe a na-agwọ. Their sickness has no solution medically. Because the cause of their problems has spiritual undertone. And believe in me, if you want to solve these people's problems, go back to spiritual. And if you do not solve it spiritual and break the yoke, giving them medicines like pouring water on rock. So those people that in this category, these people that I was shown, these people, their solution is very near. And they will be liberated. They will be saved. Because their cry and lamentation has been heard in the spiritual realm. So if you have anybody that is sick, this kind of sickness I'm talking about, I'm not talking about those sickness that has medical solution. Those sickness that if you go to hospital, they tell you what is wrong with you and they take the medication, you're okay. I'm not talking about those ones. I'm ministering to those people that I was shown, those people that are sick medically. The doctors does not have solution to them again. Some of them have been asked to go home. That their problem is beyond medical solution. Those people are people I'm talking about. Those people that they will get to hospital, they told them that their problem is typhoid. And they have been giving them medication for typhoid ever since. And they have been moving from one doctor to another ever since. Yet they die. I want to talk to you that you are dying, you are macheting, you know you are dying, they are losing strength, and the doctors told you that you have ulcer, but you are dying, and they have taken all the medications prescribed by doctors at the hospitals, yet you are still dying. I'm talking to you that people are looking at you that you have kidney problem. But believe in me, even if you were given treatment, whatever that is required for a kidney presence, others will be okay, you will not be okay. You that their problem is amaghị simple things I will provide solution. But note that before any solution can come to you, the spiritual chain must be broken. Some of them is caused by curse. It has been like this in the ancient time. Some people are under curse. That's why some terrible strange illness befell them. Some people are inflicted illness from the spiritual forces. See what you must do. Understand ike Chukwu. A ga-eme ka ọtụtụ n'ime unu dị mma. Those that we accept. So onye ọbụla ịma nọ n'ụdị ọya na-ekwu maka begin to tag the person. Asị m gwa onye a nọ ya dị mma. Ma ọ bụrụ na o kwelu, simple things you must do. And I'm willing to help those people. If you know anybody that is in this terrible sickness, tag the person. If the person believes, distance is never a problem. By this Saturday, being 24th January, I'm going to do as directed. I'm going to do work of breaking curses and Ibuji Abojo Akademisi ha. Manam boss of Yabo course, yes, so Yabo no matter course or ha. So Yabo no course to see na more. But Abojo on Akademisi ha, Manam. As I was directed, I was going to do it on Saturday. Just join me. As you know, I don't make sure you go on social media. But that day I'm going to pray. I am able to work on these people that I was shown, about 40 of them. Yes, you might not believe it, but I'm telling you, it fell on me. Nobody is paying anybody any money. Nobody is paying anything. I will tell you after that Saturday. I will tell you what I can do from my own end, and I will tell you what you will do from your own end. What I will do from my own end, the spiritual work I will do on my own self, by myself in the temple. That work is for general public that is under this group of people that I was shown, about 40 of them. This curse breaking and Ibuji Abojo is hadu. But just note, now all why I didn't show you on social media. You will not see it anywhere. But by fact, if you agree with me and you have someone that is passing through this type of illness, or you are the one, but by faith, key in that Saturday from between 11 to 2 p.m. Take notes. Key in the spirit. This cause breaking and Ibuji Abojo. Anywhere you're all over the world. Yes. Then from your own end, what you will do to key in this ritual, that will be a liberation to many, about 40 of them. This is an admonition. Go and look for native egg. If you know you want to be a partaker of this particular curse breaking and Ibuji Abojo and the healing, go and look for native egg. What a native egg? Wherever you are, if your sickness will permit you to stand up, you can stand. If you cannot permit you are still bedridden, no problem. In that room you are staying, there is a side that faces the east. It's just for you to connect with the morning temple. Look for native egg, raise it the way you can, and make declaration that the person cannot talk. You that is taking care of the person must do this. If the sick person cannot talk, because I'm seeing some people that can't even talk. What you will do is, you that is taking care of the person, go and look for alligator pepper. Use it to cleanse yourself before you start this ritual on the person's behalf. Yes, and after this rituals, go and wash your hands. But if you are still talking, look for native egg. Raise it up in the east, towards the east direction from your room. East is all one young. You also more image or you were you don't do to be done a chiggy, you don't have more than night. Need your quiet is that he will half again or half in this after you native lemon. He will say, sir, need your quiet when they say he will walk on the hand with it. Yes, sir. Now, quack gauges and more you. After that, look for small red oil, put small salt on it, turn it. Near tea and a half one, it could be open. Now, no money I so na bia for na gina hard is you. More but they when they went there they went out again. Did you play that he went? Obro ni Messiah. Obro ne ga puta wilo. Obro ne ga puta wilo. Then without one outside their compound, arena Tiwaja Baba. Obro ne ya puta wilo. Onya anwa na kwage. Ya would I keep the that I get you where you outside their compound. Then Chowood were urie wee kwubie okwu si na urie m ka urie m a na-akụ ka a na-akụpụrụ gị ihe mgbu na nsogbu ọbụla n'iji ihe dị ndụ a wee na-agbara isi onwe gị na ị ga-adị ndụ na ndị dị ndụ. Ikwuchi ya were urie m ha wee jụchaa gị ahụ jụchaa arụ gị pụọ outside fence tụrọpụọ ya. Ọ bụrụkwana na ihe emegbu n'onwe gị onye ga-enekwa gị ya mee ya, o mesịa aka ekpe ka ọ ga-eji mee ya. Ọ bụrụ na o mesịa ya ji outside fence jee tụpụ ya, ghọtara ya. Ọ bụrụ na o mesịa ihe ndị a ya kwa aka ya, yes, ya jee kwa aka ya, kwụsị aka ya nwa weda ma ọ bụ gị nwa ma ọ bụ onye na-enekwa gị mere this ritual, ya jee kwa aka ya, you go back to ya ebe ị nọ. Ihe ọzọ ị ga-eme bụ jee chọọrọ m imesịa this ritual the next day after 24 hours, jee chọọrọ m scent leaf ofu nju handful, jee chọọrọ m mango leaf handful, jee chọọrọ m moringa handful, chọọrọ m guava handful, chọọ shop leaf handful, 5 of them. Boil it, put like a penta of water, boil it for 15 minutes. Then be taking it morning, half tumbler morning and night, morning and night, morning and night. Ọ bụrụ na that one go, repeat it. Ị ga-eme for 30 days. Ị ga-eme for 30 days. Ọ bụrụ na ị mesịa ya, ọ bụrụ na ị fụrụ changes na isoro ntụ ọrịa anwa bilia, o doo gị anya that you are getting better, chat me on WhatsApp. Ọ bụrụ na ị mesịa this ritual, dị sure na ị mere ya after 30 days, ọ bụrụ na ị fụrụ changes, chat me on WhatsApp. I will do free consultation for you. Let me stop here. Ezigo m ozi asị m ozi ya. Onwe ajụjụ ọbụla ị nwere na nkụzi a, ọ bụ na ịchọ ka agbara gị afa miri emi, WhatsApp nọmba ị ga-eji nweta mbụ 0805 7837672. I repeat, 0805 7837672. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụgbuo ya, n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. Cheta na ozi a nziri taa bụ maka mmadụ 40 ahụ, mmadụ 40 ahụ agwara m maka ha. Ime ya with faith, ị ga-afụ na ị ga-enwere onwe gị. May the blessings of Chukwuoke Prime be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed, now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Udo dịrị.